Hi all, in this video I am going to fold a towel into a teddy bear shape, rolling the towel from right side to center. While rolling it, roll it tightly. Once the rolling reaches the center part, I am rolling the towel from left side to center part. Take the towel. In the upper part of the towel, cross fold it. Take the right side fold part and cross it from right side to left side. To partition teddy bear's head and body, I am using rubber band. To partition ears on both sides, take a small portion on both sides like this. Using rubber band, I am partitioning it. Now the teddy bear is ready. It's cute in red color. Guys, if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.